Hey, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. To those who didn't subscribe, please press the subscribe button. Today I just wanna do Uthando Nes'Thembu review about Umakhumalo and Baba Mseleku. Umakhumalo phoned Mr. Mseleku and asked him where he is, and Ubaba Mseleku was happy to hear that Makhumalo want to know where he is, and he also said no one is asking me where can I ask you where you are now. So he said Makhumalo is a unique person. She's not just like everyone. Basadi ba gago ka mokana, they are different. When it comes to Makhumalo is the best. So Makhumalo, I have a surprise for you. And Baba Khumalo was like, is it food or what? Makhumalo, Luena, urata dijo. This is not food, it's a surprise. You will see when I get there. And Baba Mseleku, he told Makhumalo that I'm at your place. I'm at the Mseleku's. So come home, you are going to find me here. Makhumalo just said, okay, if you are home, then just wait for me. I'm coming just right now with a surprise. When she get there, Baba Mseleku was surprised. He didn't know what to say. He just said, no one thought that Makhumalo was going to stay at this family because she just came here young. A lot of people thought maybe she's not going to stay, she's going to leave me. But now look at her. She's rich, she's working, she's dead. So that's what I like about her. And Makhumalo yena Ari, she bought Baba Mseleku this car because Baba Mseleku was giving her beamothega kana ke eng le ntjulele ka sekgowa. He was there for her when she went to the work trips, and he allowed her to go there. That's why she bought him a car. Baba Mseleku was kuri ne a te tshwara tlhogo kuri ne a sa tsebe gore a direng. He was happy. Mama a re wena koloi ye ka Makhumalo a re yes, I did. I don't know how, but I'm glad I did. Gore ke koloi e kgolo and expensive. This is what I like. For gore ke like koloi e leng gore ke e ratetse wena. Gale o e ba le nna ka dinako ka mokana ge ke experience mathata e leng gore ke a mampe ka di trips jaaka tša mmerekong. So Baba Mseleku, nyakuthanda and you deserve the best. You were there for me all the times, even though batho ne ba disappointa, but wena ne o le gona for nna, and I have to thank you for this gift. Ba opela dingoma tša, they were singing a gospel songs, ba re ba leboga Modimo for everything that he's done for them. So now I think for nna my 5 cent daga e nngwe ya dilo tše e leng gore Baba Mseleku o rata Makhumalo ga kudu. I think it's because if Baba Mseleku or wrong, Makhumalo is always saying Baba Mseleku is right, even though a le wrong. A go na le moareng o Baba Mseleku you are wrong. Most of the time she always says Ubaba is right, Ubaba is right, because he is the head of the family. So that's it for now. I don't know, what do you think about the Mseleku's family when it comes to Makhumalo and Ubaba Mseleku?